Sunday. I have a few errands to run. I have to go to the store to make a return. I drove all the way to Irvine yesterday, which is about 30 minutes from me, to make a return at the store, and it was so busy. I think there were about 20 people in line at the store, and I just called it quits. I crashed out and I was like, I cannot stand in this line. There's no way I'm going to do that. So I'm going to try again today. I'm going to try a different mall and hopefully it'll be less busy. So yeah, just getting a little bit ready. Just need to put on mascara, get dressed, and then head out. Okay, I'm dressed, I have all my jewelry on. I'm just wearing this black top from Brandy, these low-rise jeans from Hollister. I need to put some perfume on. I actually have these perfumes from Dossier that I'm really excited to unbox. If you haven't heard of Dossier, they sell luxury perfumes and scents at an affordable price, and you can look up certain scents. You can take a quiz and figure out like what scent works best for you. I have been using Dossier for years. The first scent I decided to get was Ambery Saffron. I like to use this one on more of like a day-to-day basis. This one has top notes of saffron, orange blossom, middle notes of jasmine, plum, cedarwood, and base notes of oak moss, fir, balsam, and amber. I think this one definitely smells a little bit more masculine. Like, it still smells very feminine, but if you like kind of like that stronger scent, then I definitely recommend the Ambery Saffron. And I'm not kidding, guys, I really use Dossier a ton. Like, I have these exact scents that I am still working through, but they're almost gone. Like, I truly love their perfumes. They last so long, and I always get complimented on them all the time. People are always like, you smell so good, what are you wearing? And I put them on Dossier, and my sisters use it, my best friend uses it. I can't recommend them enough. And then the other scent I got is the Ambery Vanilla. This is the one that I like to use more so for special events, like if I am going out to a dinner, going on a date, or just doing something a little more special. This one has top notes of mandarin, pear, pink pepper, and licorice. The middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, with base notes of cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. Wow, I didn't know those were the base notes. That's probably why I like it so much, is because it's vanilla and coffee, my two favorite things. I am running solo on the Ambery Vanilla, so I'm going to spray some of the one that I'm running out of on me right now, but I usually do 2 or 3 sprays, and that's more than enough to last me the entire day. If you haven't tried Dossier, or if you're like on the fence, definitely get it. I just love their perfumes so much. I can't recommend it enough. And the best part is they're just so affordable. Like, nobody wants to pay over $100 for a tiny bottle of perfume, and these ones come at such an affordable price, and they make great gifts. So this is the final look. My hair is done. I have my perfume on, and it's time to get going because there's only like 3 more hours of daylight left in the day. Well, I actually have to make my bed first. The apartment is just so small that just the smallest like messes make it look really, really disastrous. I also have a big Aritzia package that I'm so excited to open and unbox, but I'm not going to do it in this video. I'm going to do a separate Aritzia haul unboxing. So if you're curious and you want to know what's in here, you're just going to have to subscribe and wait till my next video. Take a few pictures of books for my book talk and bookstagram, and I just thought I'd share with you guys the aftermath. Now I have to put all of these books back, which is never any fun. Let me put these away. January, and just one I've been wanting to read. I'm going to be so real right now. I am having the hardest time getting up and leaving the house right now. I think just a wave of exhaustion and tired hit me from everything I did this weekend, and a part of me just really wants to stay home and like go grab food and put some sweats on and maybe just do laundry and clean around the house. Good morning. I had an 8 a.m. meeting this morning. I feel like I have a lot to get done, but it should be like a relatively chill day. I have Pilates this evening, and I need to take Soph on a walk today and just make sure I clean a little bit around my apartment. I have laundry. Basically getting back into the routine of things. I actually love my routine and I'm excited to kind of be back into the swing of things. I feel like that period between Christmas and New Year's just felt like a purgatory limbo period, and it just was really uncomfortable. I don't know why. As much as I enjoyed having so much time off, at the same time I'm like, okay, I also don't feel productive and I don't feel good about myself. I'm excited to kind of get all the work that I need done. I have to edit and post this video. I have a few brand deals that I need to do. I have my like regular work that I need to get done. So yeah, lots going on and lots of planning for the upcoming year. I am just making a giant salad for lunch. Lettuce, feta cheese, baby cucumbers, tomatoes. I'm going to add some chickpeas, olives, onions, and then add some olive oil and vinegar to it. Some olive oil and some balsamic vinegar. It is such a stunning, gorgeous day outside, and I've just been in my apartment all day wearing these sweats. I definitely feel like when I get back home I need to like open up all my windows and take Sophie for a walk and just try to get some fresh air. I love walking down by the beach trail, so I'll probably take her there. It is just so pretty out. Let me turn the camera around and show you. Hello? What a beautiful day out. Hi. Yeah, could I please do a large iced matcha? Whole milk is fine.
Could I get your name?
Anna? No, that'll be it.
Alright, I'll get this right up for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a
Oh my gosh, look at how amazing. Color, everything, it's always just so good. And they sweeten it with some vanilla. Oh my gosh, every time it's so good. I need to send a picture to my friend Sarah because Zebra House is her favorite place and she lives in Denver. Okay, time to go home and get back to work. I think I listen to this song about 10 times a day. I'm not even being dramatic, that's not an exaggeration. This song is constantly playing on my computer, on my phone, in my car, on my little JBL speaker, just all the time. Okay, I think I'm going to take Sophie for a walk. You want to go on a walk? You want to go on a walk? is so cool. Oh my gosh, that was such a good little walk. I definitely broke a sweat. Kind of dying in this right now. It was like perfectly sunny, probably around like 60, 65 degrees out. So yeah, now I need to get back to work, but that was so nice. I'm dressed for Pilates. I'm just wearing these Lululemon Align shorts and this long sleeve. I forget where it's from. So I like French braided my hair, and every time I do it, I'm like so proud of myself because I haven't French braided my hair in years. And I recently started doing it again, and I love it.
Those arms up, grab a hold to that left wrist. Kind of push those hips over to that left side to dive your hands down, and then bring your upper body down, hands to the carriage, the edge of that black mat, and you're gonna push the carriage open. Your thighs are gonna come up against the bar. You're roll your body back. You're going down right until those shoulder blades touch your shoulder blocks. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, press the legs. We're gonna walk our heels. Good. Shoulders, hips, and knees come into that perfect diagonal. Exhale, roll your body down. Exhale, you lower the upper face in that left foot. Good. One more time. Lift it up. Stay up. Only if you want. And that bar is your friend. You hold it the whole time if you want to. Bar is your friend. In and out. Good. Escaping in and out. You can slide that in and push it out. Slide it in. Push it out. Good. I've got 5 more here.
Oh my gosh, I just got done with Pilates class. My class started at 5:30. I showed up at 6:30 when my class was over, and I was panicking. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to get charged a fee for not showing up, and I'm going to not have a class to work out to tonight because it wasn't letting me book another class. They had one at 6:30, but it wasn't letting me book it online and pay for it because it was too close to the class window. So I was like, okay, I can try to find another studio that has an evening class, or I can like go up there and just talk to her and see if like she'll make it work for me. Thank goodness this Pilates instructor is the sweetest girl alive. I walked in and I was like, I'm so sorry. I booked the 5:30 class, and for some reason I just thought it was for 6:30, which is why I'm here now. Do you have any availability for the 6:30? Is there a reformer open? And I was ready to pay for another class, and she's like, oh yeah, let me just mark that you attended it so you don't get charged and you can just join the 6:30 class. And I was like, thank you so much, because I was like ready to work out. She made it work, and oh my gosh, it stressed me out. I need to get my life together. I need to like start writing things down. I feel like I did write down this class in my planner, but for some reason I wrote 6:30. I can't. This is my Chipotle order. I literally get the kids meal, and this is all I put in my taco with like a side of guac. These little chips